How to fix activation error code 0x80072EFD in Windows 11. Activation error code 0x80072EFD in Windows 11 can stop your system from completing activation. This usually happens when your computer cannot connect to Microsoft's activation servers due to connectivity problems, firewall or proxy interference, or server access issues. Let's walk through several proven methods to fix this error and restore proper system activation. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Check connectivity and server access. The first step is to confirm your device can connect to Microsoft's activation servers. Open a browser and ensure you can reach websites normally, including activation.sls.microsoft.com. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off in the network settings. Also confirm that outbound ports 80 HTTP and 443 HTTPS are open, since blocked ports are a common cause of error 0x80072EFD. Verify system date and time settings. Next, check the date and time on your system. Incorrect settings can cause SSL or TLS authentication failures when contacting activation servers. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Date and Time, and enable Set Time Zone Automatically and Automatic Time Syncing if available. After correcting the clock, retry activation. Run the Activation Troubleshooter. If the problem persists, use the built-in troubleshooter. Navigate to Settings, System, Activation, Troubleshoot. Windows will attempt to reset services, repair activation components, reset related services, and reconnect to Microsoft servers. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Use command line for online activation. You can also force Windows to reattempt activation manually. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and enter slmgr.vbs/ATO. If activation succeeds, you'll see a confirmation. If you receive error code 0x80072EFD, recheck your firewall, proxy, or VPN settings before trying again. Temporarily disable security software and firewalls. Sometimes third-party antivirus tools or Windows Firewall itself can block activation traffic. Temporarily disable them and retry activation. For Windows Firewall, check outbound rules for svchost.exe and ensure ports 80 and 443 are not blocked. Check proxy settings. Finally, misconfigured proxies can cause failed activation attempts. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Proxy, and disable Use a Proxy Server if it's enabled. Then retry activation. For more information, check out our official blog post on fixing Windows 11 activation error code 0x80072EFD, linked in the description below.